In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to access Google Workspace Admin Console. If you're responsible for managing your organization's Google Workspace, the Admin Console is your central hub. It's where you control user accounts, configure apps, set security policies, handle billing, and keep your domain running smoothly. Let's walk through how to get in quickly and securely. First, open a web browser and go to admin.google.com. This is the official address for the Admin Console. Make sure you type it exactly or use a trusted bookmark so you know you're on the right page. Any modern browser works, but keeping it up to date helps avoid sign-in glitches. If your organization uses single sign-on, you may briefly be redirected to your company's login page before returning to Google. Next, sign in with your administrator account. This must be your organization's Google Workspace admin identity, not a personal Gmail address. If you use multiple Google accounts, double-check the profile shown in the top corner of the sign-in page and switch if necessary. To keep things simple when juggling accounts, an incognito or private window can prevent the wrong session from being used. Enter your credentials and, if prompted, complete two-step verification. Depending on your settings, that could be approving a prompt on a registered device, entering a code from an authenticator app, or using a hardware key. Take a moment to ensure you have your verification method handy before you start. Once you're signed in with the correct administrator account, you'll land on the Admin Console dashboard. From here, you can manage users and groups, control access to Google services and third-party apps, adjust security settings like password policies and device management, handle billing, and manage domains. If you don't immediately see a setting you need, try the search bar at the top. It's the fastest way to jump directly to a specific control. Also note that your view may differ based on your admin role. Some sections appear only to super administrators, so limited options can be normal. If you get a message that you don't have permission to access the console, you're probably signed in with a non-admin account. Switch accounts and try again. That's all there is to accessing the Admin Console. For a smoother daily workflow, consider bookmarking admin.google.com. And if you're on a shared or public computer, remember to sign out when you're done to keep your organization's data secure. Now that you're in, you're ready to manage your workspace with confidence.